Here's the best truth teller and truth channel out there. This is it. Nature has all the answers, and it's constantly speaking. You won't find a better truth teller than this one. It's time for us to come back here and to hear nature's truth, because there is so much to understand and to learn once again. She is like a bride, and she is waiting for us. She has prepared herself. She has so much to give and to share, and she's just waiting for us, patiently waiting. I mean, she's always pulling our sleeve. She's like a child, an eternal child. She never abandoned us, even though we abandoned her. She never abandoned us. She never lost her faith in us. There is so much to learn. She's the book. Look at her. She's the book of life. We were walking in a living book, but we had no idea. What other movie, what other book, what other entertainment or video game do you need? There's everything here. There's so much information, so much to discover. Each tree is a book in its own. We have so much to learn. Forget about human libraries. This is the library of life. Just by sitting with a tree in silence, and internal silence as well. Oh, wow. There's so much information, so much to understand, to remember. God, I miss us so much, all of us. I miss each other. being in this natural state and hearing the trees, all of us together, just hearing the trees, the atmosphere, the snow, the water, just God, I can only feel how it's going to be when more and more people are going to come back to this natural sense and we can re-find one another like this. God, there is so much to share. There is so much to share and share in this as well. I understand now. I now understand what Earth is. And we're coming back. I know we're coming back. We are coming back to the true Earth. Forget about the new Earth or whatever. It's just the true Earth. We are coming back and we have to bring one another here. In this truth, in this naturality. Each of us that is able to get to this natural state again, this heart-based state, has to do whatever it can to bring others as well, because this is everything that we've ever wanted without even knowing. This is what we were looking for. And it's just beginning. It's a new era. It's just beginning. I can't believe we've missed so much time from this. If I would have a cosmic Photoshop, I would erase all the cities and I would restore nature once again, and then I would allow us, all of us, to create a new type of cities, new type of technologies, which would work permanently in tune and in balance and in perfect harmony with nature. The human mind is so brilliant. It is so creative. The things that we could invent, discover and understand are beyond any imagination. We could create cities or establishments so organic, so in touch with nature, that not even in our wildest dreams or not even in any story that we've ever heard have been depicted or imagined. We are we hold it within us human beings. We hold an immeasurable treasure within us, an immeasurable intelligent spirit, which is so capable of, it's the most intelligent force in existence. It's so capable of creating and imagining, not imagining, but doing directly, creating directly the most brilliant type of houses or clean energy source, or so many we could restore again abilities which for us now they appear like magical. For example, the ability to regulate our own body temperature. This is a natural ability, to be able to regulate our own body temperature and stop depending on needing to cut the trees, for example, to heat ourselves in the winter. There is so much we can do. Brilliant human beings. The human being is a brilliant life form and creation. Stop believing yourself to be this monkey type of human form that you were made to think that we evolved from primates or something. The human being is a magical being. But we have to find that magic once again. And in my experience so far and throughout everything that I felt so far, the magic can hardly ever be found through the current type of industrialized society and artificial type of technologies and disruptive technologies, which only create more and more artificiality. And artificiality is what distances us more and more from the magic that we are, and the magic of being, and the magic of nature and everything. When we move into the artificial, the magic of life itself is killed. In order to preserve this magic, we need to be magic as well. We need to be in our magical sense. To live from the heart sense, which tunes us up, aligns us like one of those tuning forks. It tunes us with everything around us, the heart. Let's come back to the heart. There is so much here. so much. Everything that we are doing right now in society, we think we are doing so many things, like our life is so busy and we have so much to do. We have to get to our job, we have to feed the children, we have to go to the grocery store, we have to go to the cinema, we have to do that, we have to do that. We think our life is full already, but I'm telling you, our life is fully empty right now. There is no true essence and true meaning in what we are doing right now. This is why we feel so empty inside. This is why there is an epidemic of depression right now throughout the entire human society. It's because we've lost the meaning of life. And this meaning can only be regained by refinding our heart, our true heart. And forget about that vicious, emotional human soul, which masquerades as the heart. That's far from being the heart. Our heart has true, lasting, everlasting, permanent feelings. It never has emotions. Emotions are a foreign type of experience to us. Emotions only come from unnaturality and artificiality. But in nature, there is zero emotion. There is just the heart sense and the heart knowing. I miss humanity. I miss the true human beings. I miss you all so much. I miss going into the forest and meeting a bear and sleeping with the bears and hugging a bear. I miss going into the safari, let's say, and really I would give anything to be able to hug a lion and just stay some nights and just cuddle and just sleep with lions. I would just give anything to be able to sleep with true, real lions. I miss animals. I miss the true human beings. I miss each other so much.